Choosing the right windows for your home means finding options that can handle changing conditions while still delivering comfort and efficiency. In West Jordan, where homeowners experience hot summers, cold winters, and everything in between, casement windows are a reliable and high-performing choice. Their design and functionality make them especially well-suited for adapting to seasonal weather changes. One of the standout features of casement windows is their ability to create a tight seal. Hinged at the side and opening outward, these windows close by pressing firmly against the frame. This design helps prevent air leaks, which is essential during both hot and cold seasons. In the winter, it keeps warm air inside your home, while in the summer, it helps block heat from entering. This consistent sealing plays a major role in maintaining indoor comfort throughout the year. Energy efficiency is one of the biggest advantages of casement windows in West Jordan's climate. Modern casement windows often include features like double or triple pane glass, insulating gas fills, and low-E coatings. These components reduce heat transfer, helping your home stay comfortable without overworking your heating and cooling systems. As a result, you can enjoy a more stable indoor temperature and potentially lower energy costs over time. Ventilation is another area where casement windows excel. Because they open outward fully, they can catch and direct breezes into your home. This makes them especially effective during milder seasons when you want to rely less on mechanical cooling. In West Jordan, where spring and fall can bring refreshing outdoor air, casement windows provide a practical way to improve airflow and indoor air quality. Durability is also important when dealing with seasonal changes. Casement windows are built with strong materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, all designed to withstand temperature fluctuations and weather exposure. These materials resist warping, cracking, and fading, ensuring that your windows maintain their performance and appearance over time. This is particularly valuable in a climate that shifts from cold winters to warm summers. Another key benefit is protection against the elements. When closed, casement windows form a secure barrier that helps keep out wind, rain, and snow. Their tight seal reduces the risk of drafts and moisture intrusion, which can lead to discomfort or damage if left unaddressed. Properly installed casement windows help protect your home while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Ease of operation is another advantage that adds to their appeal. Casement windows typically use a crank mechanism, making them easy to open and close. This is especially helpful when adjusting ventilation based on changing weather conditions. Whether you want to let in fresh air on a cool day or keep your home sealed during extreme temperatures, casement windows offer convenient control. Noise reduction is another benefit homeowners appreciate. The tight seal and multi-pane construction of modern casement windows help block outside noise, creating a quieter indoor space. This can make a noticeable difference in everyday comfort, especially in areas with traffic or neighborhood activity. Casement windows also contribute to the overall look and feel of your home. Their clean lines and unobstructed glass provide a modern appearance while allowing plenty of natural light to enter. Brighter interiors feel more open and inviting, which enhances both comfort and design. Proper installation is essential to ensure these windows perform at their best. Professional installation ensures a precise fit, secure sealing, and smooth operation. This helps maximize energy efficiency, durability, and long-term performance, giving you confidence in your investment. Maintenance is typically minimal, which is another advantage for busy homeowners. Regular cleaning and occasional checks of the hardware are usually enough to keep casement windows in good condition. Their durable construction means fewer repairs and less upkeep over time. In the end, casement windows perform exceptionally well in West Jordan's seasonal weather. Their ability to provide strong sealing, efficient ventilation, and long-lasting durability makes them a smart choice for year-round comfort. By upgrading to casement windows, homeowners can enjoy a more energy-efficient, comfortable, and reliable living space no matter the season.